So step number one is you guys directly go to Digistore24 and we go to the marketplace. You guys can see, just simply click this and you guys can see there is a lot of products right now. But in this video we're gonna go and promote the personal development niche, because in this niche there is low competition, medium competition and high demand right now. So this is a really good opportunity for you guys. Make sure promote personal development type of products. So let's see the high converting product we want to see right now. So I'm gonna go with the first one. You guys can see here is the product, gives you 80% commission, $41 in average sale, and the cart conversion is almost 20%. So this is number one product in personal development niche, so we go with this one. So first of all, you guys can see sales page. First we open the sales page, and second you guys can see affiliate support page. Click this and let's open this page. So first of all, let's see the sales page of this offer. So you guys can see moneymanifestationsystem.com. so it means this is like manifestation, money, mindset. So this type of offer is this, okay? So we're gonna go and promote this offer, but you guys can see here is the affiliate page of this offer. So let's see. So first of all, you guys can see, click yes, I want cash, and add your email. Once you did this, then this guy shows you a video, and scroll down and you guys can see here is if you are not logged in, your account is not created with Digistore, you guys click here and create your account, and again account creation link, and these are the new email swipes 21. Download old email swipes. So there is not a lot of things this guy provides you. So these Facebook and YouTube ad creatives, do it for yourself. So there is only one thing we want to get from this affiliate page is just these creatives, and let's see the creatives. So here are the videos which this guy provides us. So all the videos for Facebook and YouTube ads. If you want to download, you guys just right click and you guys can see download button, or if you guys double click and you guys can again see the download button in your computer. Once you click this sorry, this video will be downloaded in your computer, okay? So I also downloaded these videos, so I'm gonna directly go and make sure you guys must grab your affiliate link, click promote and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad, okay? Once you did this, then step number 2 is you guys go to youtube.com and make sure create a channel. We don't want to get views on this channel, we want to just create a simple basic channel, and you guys upload all these videos which we got from affiliate page. You guys upload these video ads in YouTube, okay? And make sure do not publish public those videos. Make sure be unlisted those videos, because we don't want to public these videos because these are ads, not a valuable video. So make sure unlisted these videos, don't public those videos, okay? Unlisted and just simply save. So once you did this, step number 2 is you're done. You create YouTube channel and upload all the video ads and unlisted all the ads, okay? Then step number 3 is you guys go to systeme.io and create a landing page. So you guys can see here is my landing page. The world's most successful celebrities, rappers, actors and athletes have been secretly using this wealth mind hack manifestation technique for years. So I did not add any of the image, I simply add a button, watch the video, click here, and simply this is terms and condition and privacy policy. So I'm gonna give you a link in the description. You guys click this link and you guys get this same landing page. If you want to use the same landing page, I'm gonna give you a link in the description. You guys just click it and you guys get this landing page in your systeme.io, okay? So but make sure if you are using this landing page, make sure you guys change the affiliate link from this button, okay? So step number 3 done. We are using this landing page for our this video, and again So step number 4 is you guys go to ads.google.com. Once you put ads.google.com in Google, you guys get a first link. You click on this link and simply very easily you sign up, and then you guys can see this very similar page. You can't see any data because you didn't spend any money, but you guys can see very similar a dashboard like this. You guys can see 000, but I spent a few thousands, that's why I'm seeing some data, but you guys did not see any data. And we're gonna create a YouTube ads. How I'm gonna show you how you guys can create a YouTube ad and make money with them. So you guys, once you enter in this, you guys just see this button, click create new campaign. Once you click this, so I'm gonna cross this, and you guys can see there is a lot of objective. We go with like website traffic, click this, and again you guys can see search, display, shopping, discovery, but we're gonna select the video one. Again we click this and scroll down. We don't want to add any objective right here. You guys simply click continue, and it will take few seconds, and now you guys can see the dashboard, and we're gonna create our campaign. So there you go, drive conversions. We need conversions. And what is the campaign name? So we are promoting like Genius Script, the product name might be, so we go with like GS, and I'm gonna go with like $20 a day. That's it. And scroll down. You guys must select the maximize conversion. Don't select this target CPA. CPA means cost per action, but we are not targeting cost per action, we are targeting maximize conversions. So scroll down, and you guys can see the daily budget and the total campaign budget. So if you're running $20 a day, now it's up to you. If you want to go with like $10, go with it, or $20 a day, or you guys just simply total campaign, and you guys set the date, for example 20th, and I'm going with like for example 23, and I'm gonna want to spend like $60 in 3 days. You guys can also do this method. Okay, if you want to run only ad for specific 3 days or 4 days, you guys can select this option. So I'm going with like total campaign right now for 3 days, $60 I'm gonna spend, and scroll down, and now we're gonna select the targeting. For we are promoting personal development type of offer, so I'm gonna target United States, United Kingdom, because these are the tier 1 countries for advertising. If you're running ads on these countries, there is a lot of chance that you guys are getting sales. I know these countries are really expensive for ads, but you guys make a lot of money with these countries. Okay, and you guys can see the languages. We just simply select the English and scroll down, and inventory tribe. So I'm going with like standard one right now, and here is click this, and I'm gonna check this and check this. It means we don't want to see show our ad on embedded videos or live streams. Okay, we don't want to show our ad on embedded or live streams. And scroll down, scroll down, and you guys can see additional settings. Once you click this, and you guys can see devices, click this and set a specific targeting for devices, click this. Okay, and then you guys can see a lot of computer, mobile phones, tablets. I'm gonna only uncheck the TV screens, and that's it. Okay, we don't want to show our ad on TV. And there is all day. We don't want to set up any day or frequency cap. So that's it. Then again you scroll down. Now this is the ad group. In here we're gonna target people, and we're gonna add our YouTube video here. I'm gonna show you how, but you guys must name your ad. So I'm go again $20 a day, like I'm gonna US, UK and Canada. For example, I'm targeting only 3 countries, so that's why I'm doing this. And scroll down, and now you guys can see the demographics. Click this. So this product is related to personal development type of product. For that, it means we're gonna select male and female both, and unknown, it means if anybody did not sign up with Google YouTube and watching videos, it means these persons are unknown. So we're gonna select all 3 because everybody wants to everybody are trying to develop their self. So I'm gonna go with like both male and female, and sorry, and I'm gonna uncheck 18 to 24 because 18 to 24 age adults are not want to trying personal development type of products, so I'm going with like 25 to 65 plus. Parents, not parents, I'm going to select all, and households, again we select all. We only select uncheck the age 18 to 24, okay, and that's it. And then scroll down, you guys can see audience segment. We don't touch anything for this segment. Again, scroll down and you guys can see advanced settings. Click this, and now in here we gonna add our detailed targeting. So there is a 3 steps YouTube provide you. First step is any placement. If you want to run your ad on in a specific video, you guys just simply paste your URL of that video. Your ad will show on the specific video, but we don't want to show our ad in a specific video. So first is this, and second step, they will provide you topics. Click this. So this is very similar to Facebook interest based targeting. So in here YouTube allow you to target interest based targeting. So you guys can see art, entertainment, beauty, fitness, like business, computer. So we are not doing interest based targeting because these are very broad audience, and there's a lot of chance that you guys, it will take a lot of money to start getting sales. So we are going with the narrow marketing targeting tactics. This is keyword based targeting. So keyword based targeting works really well in YouTube. A lot of people are doing keyword based targeting. So I'm gonna show you for this is like personal development, mindset, manifestation type of offer. So you guys must add some keywords. In those keywords your ad will show up, okay? So I have available few keywords, you guys can see. So these are the keywords. I start getting sales with these keywords because these are the really good keywords. First is mindset, second is manifestation, third is personal development, and the fourth is law of attraction, then affirmations, and the last one is Tony Robbins. If anybody search this or anybody watch the video, and in the title of the video, if there is mindset, our ad will show on those videos, okay? So these are the interests because this is like personal development type of products. That's why we target this type of keywords. If you want to add more target keywords, you guys go with it, but remember one thing, do not add up capital letter on these keywords. Make sure go with like all small letters, okay? So I target like, for example, 3 4 5 6 keywords, and now we're gonna go and create our ad. So here is the YouTube. Now here we gonna add our YouTube ad URL. So that's why I told you guys must create your YouTube video. So for example, I'm going with like this one, and you guys can see, click 3 dots and you guys can see get a shareable link. Once you click this, the link will copy, and you guys simply go there and paste that link. So scroll down, and now we're gonna add our landing page URL. So give me a second. So now we're gonna add our final URL. Website URL means landing page URL, okay? So you guys can see HTTP. So we click this and we go with like HTTPS, and we're gonna add our URL. And now in here you guys add the first link. I'm gonna show you. I'm go with like money first of all in here, and the second one is I'm go with like manifestation. It's not necessary, but if you want to add it, go with it. Sorry. And here is the call to action. You guys can see, click this, and now I'm go with like learn more, or yes, I'm go with like learn more. And you guys can see the headline is really important. So scroll down and I'm go with like, give me a second. So here is my headline. Try this manifestation technique first, and the second is there you go, celebrities, rappers, athletes secretly use this technique. And the headline is very important. I forget to add it on. This is so headline, you guys, only 15 words to add a headline. That's why I added only manifestation. So now you guys can see our, if your ad is shown on mobile, your ad looks like this, and in your mobile ad is shown on your computer, so then your ad looks like that. You guys can see, okay? So scroll down and we are good to go. You guys can see everything is ready, and we just simply click create a campaign. Okay, click create. So once you click create a campaign, then you guys can see the next page. Congratulations, your campaign is almost ready. Then we just simply continue to campaign. Click this and scroll down, and now you guys can see it will take a few like 10 or 20 minutes to approve your ad. Once your ad is approved, you guys can see everything. You guys can also see ad extensions. If you click this ad, you guys can see all your ad here. You guys can see pending under review right now. Our ad is, once your ad is approved, you guys can see impression, views, click-through rate, cost. You guys can see everything here. Okay, if you guys get a sale in first 3 days with this offer, make sure let this same campaign run. If you guys did not get a sale, make sure delete this campaign and recreate a new campaign from completely scratch.